Cable just in the neighborhood.
I didn't know there was a problem with my cable.
No, brownouts fried all the boxes into black. You didn't notice the lights flickering?
Come on in.
He couldn't let you do it. Where is he? He wouldn't say. Clearly, whatever it is you're planning tonight, it's not the answer. Hey, I wonder what your father would think of this. You probably wonder how his little girl got to such a point. Alone. That's how I got here. But you're not alone. No one intervened so that you wouldn't make a life-altering mistake.
Not his job to protect me.
No, that was your mother and father's.
What I remember about my mother is that she was sick my entire childhood until she died. And as for my father, well, we both know what happened there.
You are so strong-willed. Just like David was. Death comes on its own. There's no need in hastening it.
And tell that to the people who were on the plane when it exploded. There might be a time and a place for kindness and fairness. But this is definitely not one of them. Goodbye, Carol.
Clock shows official U.S. time, which you can see might be of interest to you. Or not. Sorry for the inconvenience.
One more thing before you go. Do you have a card? So I can talk to you super much. Tell him how happy I am with the service.